sneak me in. To cast it to it, but I know I can get it. Oh, there he is.
Ah, came off. That was smallie.
There he is.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh!
Golly.
Dude, that's a fucking tank.
Fuck yeah, dude. Ha ha. Yeah, baby.
Oh, they're moving?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, there he is.
Got it? Yeah.
Not a big body. He's a fat little fucker. Ain't he? He's all belly. Look how wide he is.
Yeah. He is, man.
GoPro, stop recording.
Got him.
Molly? Yeah, I can tell he's still in drag. See the net? Huh? That's mean, ain't it?
Boy, howdy.
On the netting? GoPro, stop recording.
Yeah.
Big difference in the track and the here.
Oh God, that's a good one. Oh my gosh, Jimmy.
Got him. Tank, dude. There he is. Nice to see the kid is big and big one, Jimmy. Big.
No.
You get him?
Yeah, I got him. Nope, I got him, bro.
That great fuck that. right there within reach if you want it. He's spitting shad everywhere, so.
There he is.
Bet that's alewives.
Probably.
Came out of there too on mine. He ain't as big as that other one.
No. He ain't.
That's 3 solid fish. Boy, howdy, I seen him come out, man. Thank you,
My flag got that.
Yeah, my pliers suck.
And the honky tonk life. Young barroom beauties.
Got him. I seen him come out for it, bro.
Spot.
Like falling
No, small.
without knowing names. I'm drinking that whiskey.
Where they fight,
that
man.
song. She's somewhere crying. 'Cause I've done her wrong. She finally gave up. I'm changing
What's your things, man? They're mean.
They are.
and left me right here. Jack Daniels days.
That's pretty.
They just have no desire for talking. Oh, look, there's that bass trying to eat that dang bluegill. Dude, that's a monster.
Where?
Chased right into that fucking tree. It was after that bluegill, its mouth was wide fucking open. Son.
Where's that?
It's in that tree somewhere. God almighty, son. I seen a bluegill on its side. And I was like, what's it doing? And then I seen it jet off and I seen that bass come up behind it. That fucking mouth open.
There he is. Dude, there he is. Gimme. Oh my God, dude. Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I don't know if that's the one trying to eat that bluegill. That bluegill looked like a largemouth. Look at all that little bait.
Yep. Got him. Good job. Oh no. Oh God. Get him, Tim. Yes.
Pulled him out of there. Get out of his shit. I seen him coming from way back in there. My frog went out on a limb and came off the limb and I lost him. They pulled it up.
Baby.
He's long and skinny. He choked it though, didn't he?
It's alright. Shit, yeah. Good job.
Quit. There, his tail's still.
Yeah. Still a little blood. Got him. Seen him come up for it.
Cut this out.
Huh?